Oh, little one, you're hurt. There, I've got you easy now. What a beautiful day in the garden! It is so many butterflies. I'll gather these fallen leaves, and I'll check the bird nest. The eggs are safe and warm.
All right, team, let's get this path cleared. You got it, boss. These leaves are no match for us. This cart's almost full. We'll make quick work. Great work, gnomes. On to the next section. Through the portal, quickly!
Whoa! What is this place? The sky is so grey. And the plants are all dry. For the renewal of the land, the magic awakens. See the colors bloom. Look at all these butterflies. And the birds are back too.
Farewell, beautiful land! Goodbye, friends, to new adventures! Let's jump together!
Look at these flowers, so much greener and healthier than before. Indeed, the trees too, their leaves are vibrant.
Our garden is thriving. A gardener's dream.
The sunlight is so warm and peaceful today.
It is a perfect day to watch the world go by.